So if you want to keep records of your customers and suppliers onto the system, you go to contact, and under contact you see suppliers and customers. So if you want to add a supplier, just use the add button here to add a new supplier. So to do that, you select if the supplier is an individual or is a business. So you select the type, then you provide the information about the supplier. So let's say the supplier, um, you provide phone number, so provide email, message. Then you can also select, maybe you want to assign this supply to a staff, then you can select the staff that you are assigning this supplier to. So let's say at the moment we are assigning it to Mr. Smith. And if you want to provide other information about the supplier, you can also do that. You can go through to see which other information you need to provide. So when you are done, you can also add a contact person information about it. So to add contact information, the same way we did for, and also select, let's say, mm, then go through to provide email and then phone number of the contact person. And also add more than one contact person. So in case you have more than one contact, you can add it. So when you're done, you just save and then you complete these steps. So contact added successfully. So it will be listed for you here. So anytime you want to see your suppliers, when you click on suppliers, it all be listed under this page. It will all be listed here. So all your suppliers, and you see a list of them here. So if you want to add new one, just use the add button here. And so in case you want to update information or provide new information about the supplier, you use the actions button here and then you go to edit. Same way, if you want to view, if you want to delete, you want to deactivate the user, or you want to see the ledger purchases, you want to see the stock report, you can see all of them by using the action buttons over here. So that's how you add a new supplier. So now let's see how you can add a customer. Just like how we did for suppliers, when you go to customers, to take you to this page where you can be able to add a supplier. So at default, we have a working supplier. Sorry, at default, we have a working customer. And if you want to add a new customer, you use the add button here, just as we did for suppliers. So you select if the customer is an individual or a business, you select, then you provide information for the customer, same way we did for um, supplies. When you are done, you just save and continue. So that's how you add customers and suppliers.